The BenQ LU935ST WUXGA short-throw laser DLP projector is built for those who want top-tier performance in limited spaces. It's not just a display tool. It's a precision projector that blends brightness, detail, and flexibility into one professional-grade package. Let's start with what makes it stand out. The LU935ST delivers 5,500 lumens of brightness, powered by a laser light source that lasts up to 20,000 hours. That means no more lamp replacements or dimming over time. The laser engine keeps the colors vibrant, consistent, and reliable for years of use. Whether you're running it in an office, classroom, gallery, or home setup, it's designed to perform all day without losing clarity or sharpness. This projector pushes WUXGA resolution, offering 1920 by 1200 pixels, sharper than Full HD, which means finer details and text readability are excellent. The colors are rich, the contrast feels natural, and image precision remains stunning even under ambient light. It's the kind of clarity you notice right away, especially when projecting complex visuals or presentations. Now, the short throw capability is where things get impressive. The LU935ST can produce a 100-inch image from just a few feet away. That eliminates issues like glare and shadows, making it ideal for interactive displays or setups where space is limited. It's also great for simulation environments or immersive home viewing. The ability to project large visuals from a close distance is one of the strongest features here. BenQ has included flexible installation options, too. You get both vertical and horizontal lens shift along with 3D keystone correction, so alignment is easy no matter where you mount or place it. Ceiling installations, tight office setups, or unconventional layouts. This projector adapts to them all while keeping your image straight and perfectly framed. Connectivity is comprehensive and modern. It supports HDMI, VGA, USB, LAN, and HD-Base-T, giving you all the input flexibility you could ask for. The HD-Base-T feature allows you to send video, audio, and control signals through a single cable up to 100 meters, which is a huge win for cleaner installations and professional setups. Performance-wise, the LU935ST is smooth and efficient. The laser engine powers on instantly with no warm-up delay and shuts down just as quickly. The projector runs quietly even during heavy use, and the thermal system keeps it cool under pressure. It's designed for reliability in continuous operation scenarios, which is something professional users will appreciate. Sound quality from the built-in speakers is serviceable, but pairing it with external speakers elevates the entire experience. For presentations, the onboard sound is fine, but for movie playback or immersive displays, external audio gives you that extra depth and realism. This projector is made for professionals and enthusiasts who demand accurate visuals, low maintenance, and high brightness without compromise. It's ideal for meeting rooms, creative studios, classrooms, training centers, and small theaters. You get performance, flexibility, and long-term reliability all in one. The BenQ LU935ST isn't just another short-throw projector. It's a precision-built visual engine that merges laser technology, advanced optics, and smart installation flexibility into a single solution. It's efficient, powerful, and built to last. If you're planning to upgrade your setup or build a professional projection system that delivers consistent results, the BenQ LU935ST WUXGA short-throw laser DLP projector deserves your attention. Check out the purchase link in the description below if you want to learn more or grab one for your own setup.